Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn rewards by redeeming swag codes. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Swagbucks application on your device. And after you have logged in using your credentials, you will be taken into your homepage. From here, you can directly start taking surveys and participating in other offers. Now, if you have a swag code that you wish to redeem and get rewarded, then tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. This will then open up the profile menu, within which you will see the Redeem Swag Code option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be taken into your swag code menu. You can see the places where you will be able to find swag codes, such as their Facebook page, Twitter, as well as Swagbucks blog. In order to cash in and enter the code, just tap on the top section where it says enter your swag code. You can now type in your code in order to get rewarded right away. After typing in your code, tap on the done button, and now the application will check whether this code is legit. If it is, then you will be provided the reward within your Swagbucks right away. And you can use as many swag codes as you wish to get rewarded as long as they are legit. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem a swag code on the Swagbucks application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.